If you open up the Grad Girls in Photoshop, you're going to see everything on this layer. It has all of the layers open, so you see all of the images. That you have all the arms and legs and hair and balloons and legs and everything, but I am going to just focus on the one girl. So let's say that let me show you real quick here. Here is, if you want to see what everything that's included, it's all these different hairstyles, different colors. So that's how the layers look. This is in Photoshop. All the PNG images are also available. It's just separate PNGs, so you can drop them into any program with layers. But since it also comes with Photoshop, I'll just go ahead and play with this one since all of the images are here. So like I say, we are going to start with a body first, and I'm going to close out everything except the slim tan body, which is right here. And let me close off shut down some of these others too, since it's so crowded on this page. We'll just open the ones that we'll be working with. Okay, so that's what it was. We have this slim tan body first, so that means I'm going to want some tan legs as well. These come with side by side or the crossed, and there are curvy legs or slim legs. We'll go ahead and stick with the tan slim. Let's do crossed. Okay, so I'm going to close everything except the slim crossed. Slide it there, and then we can adjust the position exactly later. But then I'm going to go get a dress, and we've got a few dress styles, and I think I'm going to go with that square back slim dress, and just kind of position that in place. We have to do any positioning later, we can do that too, but for now that's good. And I can go ahead and add hair now if I want to. I guess I will. I am going to, there's so many hairstyles with this one. I think I want this short hairstyle, kind of the short waves. And there are lots. It comes with a blonde, dark blonde, red, light brown, medium brown, and black. I think I'm going to go with the light brown, and we'll just move that on top of the body there. Okay, now I'm going to go and move to arms, and there are also lots and lots of different arm positions in here. But I know I want one arm down, and she's going to be holding her diploma in that arm. Okay, so arms, I don't need any pale. I don't need to do the brown arms. I can just focus on the tan. These are all the tan arms, and I think it's this one here that would be, let me go ahead and I'm just going to close these. Okay, that's the one I think I want, isn't it? Yes. This one's called arm straight, hand closed, tan left. So it's easier looking at the picture, but if you want to know the name, that's it. And I'm going to rotate that a tiny bit. Rotate just a little bit. I'm using the arrows on my keyboard. I'm using on my laptop right now doing this. You can use Procreate or any application that lets you work in layers. So a lot of people use Cricut or Silhouette. Now with this arm, I need to move it behind her dress. So that's all I'm doing is I'm going to slide that down. Let's see where her dress is and put it there. Then I'm going to just position it a tiny bit more too. Okay, that's good for that arm. One more arm, and this one I'm going to use the bent arm, and I'm going to have her holding those balloons, the two class of 23 gold balloons. So if I go back to the tan, okay, these are all the arm positions. So this is the arm bent right. Is that it? Yes, this is the right arm bent. I think this is arm bent, hand closed, tan right is the official name of it. And again, I'm sliding this underneath the layer that has the dress and position a little bit. Okay, so that's how I'm happy with the hair, the body, the dress, the arms, and the legs. Now we just need to add the accessories. We can close that, and that will be the balloons. And where are the balloons? There's a folder with balloons, champagne, diplomas, all of this. So I'm going to grab the 2 and 3. It's two different. I'll transform that and scale that down just a bit. So that the balloons aren't quite that big. Just a little more. And then there is also a string, a layer that says string on it. It can be this one. You can, I might use this like it is and just erase those parts that are sticking out. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So I have to move the string behind her arm, behind her hand there, and then you can use your eraser. Oops, that's not what I want. There I go. Or you can just draw around it and delete whatever parts you don't want. But you get the idea. Okay, I don't need the champagne bottle here. I mean, if you wanted to, a lot of times you can have this arm raised and holding the champagne, but I think on this one I'm just going to have her hold the diploma. I'm going to do that. I think I'll rotate that. Layer with the diploma on it just underneath her hand. Okay, so now we've got her holding the diploma. Now we would like to put, oh, I know, I'm going to put her graduation gown. These have these kind of half gowns in this kit, and I think I'll do a regular. This kit comes with, there's another kit where you can add on. You can add all different colors of gowns. This one has blue, purple, and black, I believe. Yes. This is black. Okay. I think see what it looks like if it was on the other one over the right. Let's see what that one looks like. Maybe I like that one, I can't decide. Because I want to put the stole with her school's name on it, and that might be better on the other side. Okay, this is the part that takes the longest, just deciding what you want to do. Okay, let me move that. Let's do that. I was thinking that maybe that would make her diploma not show up that much, but I think that's fine. I'll do that for now. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, that is where the gown is. Now the stole, and again with the stoles there's all these different colors here. So I'm going to let's do white, okay? So now blue and white. Let's see, okay, so the stole is, I'm going to get rid of everything except white. And move that up on top of the gown. Okay. And then this also comes with this text that says class of 2023, or I'll just show you real quick what this looks like. Okay, so you can slide that on top of these. Maybe you didn't use the balloons and you were and you had another friend, and this arm was going to be hugging the friend, and you wanted to show class of 2023 somewhere. You could add that, but on this one, I think I'll do a complete customization and put a school in here. Let's do. Let's see if this. Oops. I'm gonna do a customization and put a school in here. Let's do and of course I'm gonna have to change the spacing of those letters because they're so tight together. Let's see if I can. That's how I want it. Let's keep this. Now we just need to add the cap and tassel. Okay, the caps. I'll show you here. These are the different kinds of caps. Should she be wearing it? Okay, let me show you what the options here. Okay, she's got the blue gown, so she will have either this one. Okay, we're gonna have to move that above the hairstyle. So above the hair layer here. Can go here, or if we wanted to, we could also use this blue hat down here. This would be really if the gown was on the other side and she was holding that. You can put this cap behind that, behind her arm, and she would be holding it. But I think we will just have her wearing that cap. So that is called Cap Head Blue. Oh, moved it. Okay, so it's up on the layer above the hair. Cap Head Blue is that layer. And position that. And I guess she'll have a white tassel since her stole is white. And let me show you these tassels. These are all the different color options that are available for the tassels. And for that, I'm just going to enlarge this so I can see it a little bit better. And it's going to be one of these tassels up here. It is white. And that we're going to move that on the layer above the cap, and just position that right there. Close up the others. Okay, and I'll enlarge it a little bit so you can see. And that's it.